ॐ शुक्लांभरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजम्। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீர்யம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிருக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृते कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो पृष्ठस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुमाभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलादरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നിരചലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദത്തോറു വീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Okay, welcome everyone to the class. So just checking who all are on. So today, so let's do 34 and then 35 will, whoever can chant, right? So Vasu, can you do one of the chapters?
Yeah, I can do 34.
Okay. So, and I think Anand ji, you can be student today for 36. Garu Sanjay is not on. Give me 1 second. I'm just checking who all are on. Aarti, you can be student then for 36. Okay. So who wants
Rajesh,
to?
just one thing that my throat is not well, so I would chant 34, but not as a student today, please.
Okay, no worries. Can you chant 35, Aarti?
35, I didn't practice full, only 5 I have practiced. I thought we are going to do 35 today, so I have practiced 34.
Okay. So Vasu, that's fine, Aarti. You can be student in next class. Who can do 35?
I can do.
Can do.
Okay. So I heard Sindhuji. So okay, Sindhuji, you do 35.
Okay.
Vasu, you do 34.
Yep.
And then Anandji, you can be student. And Jayshree, you can be student. Okay. Today.
Okay. Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Girvanairathyamano dashamukanidanam Kosalesh Vrishvashringe Putriyamishtimishva Tadashi Dasharada Smabrite Payasagyam Tadbugdya Tadpurandrishvapi Trishishu Samam Jata Garbha Sujato Ramaswam Lakshmanena Swayamata Paratenapi Shatrugnanamna Kodande Kaushikasya Kratuvarumabitum Lakshmanenanu Yato Bhutastatha Vacha Munikatitamanudvandva Shantadva Kedaha.
So on the second line, Yato Bhus Tatavacha.
திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க.
Yato Bhus Tatavacha.
Okay. Yato Bhustata Vacha Munikatitamanudvanda Shantvadva Kedaha.
Kedaha.
Okay, Kedaha. Sorry. Kedaha. Sorry. Nirnanam Dranaya Banaihi Munivachana Balat Tatakam Patayitva Labdva Smad Astrajalam Munivanamagamo Deva Siddhyashramakyam Maricham Dravayitva Makashirasi Sharaihi Anayarsham Sijnignan Kalyam Kurvanahalyam Patipadarajasa Prapya Vaideha Geham Bindanat Chandra Chudam Danuhu Avanisutam Indiram Eva Labdva Radyam Papratishtatastvam Tribariyapicha Samam Tribirapicha Samam Badra Virai Badra Bratru Virai Sadaraihi.
உங்க pitch ரொம்ப ஹையா இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு?
ஆமாமா, ஏதோ ஸ்டார்டிங்கே கொஞ்சம் ஹையா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Maybe you can take one pitch down or something. Whatever is comfortable for you. Yeah.
Okay. Arunde Rushande Bruhukula Tilake Sankaramaya Swatejo Yate Yatosya Yodyam Sukamiha Nivasan Kantaya Kantamute Shatrughne Naikadato Gatavadhi Bharate Matulasya Divasam Tata Rabdhobhishekaha Tavakila Vihata Kekayadisha Putriya Tatopyayatu Kamo Manam Anujavado Samyuta Shapadaraha Pauradarudhya Marge Guhanilaya Gataha Tvam Jathat Chiradhari Nava Santirya Gangam Adipadavi Punastam Bharadwaja Marat Natva Tatvai Tadvakya Hetoho Atisuka Avashash Chitrakute Girindre.
And the last Ati Sukama Vasash.
Ati Sukama Vashash solnuma.
Vasash.
So, okay. In the book, okay. Ati Sukama Vashash Chitrakute Girindre. Shutva Putrati Kinnam Khalu Bharadamukha Swargayatam Swatatam Tapto Tatwambutasmai Nididita Bharate Padukam Medinim Cham अत्रिन्नत्वा तगत्वा वनमति विपुलं दण्डकां चण्डकायं हत्वा दैत्यं विरादं सुगतिम् अखलय चारुभो शारभङ्गी.
And the last line there also, if you have sugatim akalayaha, if you have a visarga there, then put that ish to join it with the charu. Okay.
Okay.
So if some books already have the ish, that's why it becomes sugatim akalayash charu bosh.
Okay. Hatva daityam viradam sugatim akalash.
Akalayash.
Akalash. Another song.
Akalayash.
Akalayash. Okay. Sugatim akalayash charubosh sharabangi.
Correct.
Okay. Natva gastyam समाश्चाशर निकर सप्ताकृतिं तापसेभ्यः प्रत्यासौरिः प्रियैषी तदुनचु मुनिना वैष्णवे दिव्यचापे ब्रह्मास्त्रे चापि दत्ते पतिप्रतिसुहृदं वीक्ष्य भूयो जटायुं मोदद्गोदा तथान्ते परिमसि पुरा पञ्चवट्यां वदूत्या
Pariramasi, last line. Pariramasi pura.
Pariramasi pura panchavatyam vadutya praptyash surphanakyam madana chaladriter artane nishahatma tam saumitrim visujya prabalamatavarsha tena nilunanasam drishtvainam rushtachittam karamabhipatitam doshanam chatrumurdham vyahimserasaran apayuta samadhikam takshanat akshatoshma.
For the, one second, the first line, praptayaha is there, right? So you put the ish there. So praptayash shurpanakyaha. I thought we put a visarga there at the end of the word. Okay.
Praptyayash surpanakya.
Praptayash.
Praptayash. Okay. Praptayash surpanakya.
Shurpanakyaha.
Okay. Praptayash surpanakyaha. Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Go ahead. 19.
Sodarya prokta varta vivasha dashamukha dishata maricha maya sarangam taras sakshat sprihitam anugata pravidir bhangagatam
Bhanagatam.
Bhanagatam pravrider bhanagatam tanmaya kranna narayapita bhavadanu no tanmaya kranda narayapita bhavadanujam ravanas tam harshit tenartopi tvamantah kimapi mudamadaha tadvadhopaya labhat.
The third line, third line mattum tanmaya kranda niryapita bhavadanujam ravanasta maharshite. And the line mattum solunga, third line.
Tanmaya kranda nirayapita
Niryapita.
Nirayapita sonana. Okay. Tanmaya kranda niryapita bhavadanujam ravanasta mahashita.
Ravanasta mahashita. You can say the whole word to it. That's fine. You got it. Yeah.
Ravanasta mahashita tenartopi tvanmantah kimapi mudamadaha tvadvadhopaya labhat.
Tadvado.
Tadvadopaya labhat. Bhuyastanmin vichinvan arata dashamukaha tadvadun madvaden tvaktva yate jato divam atasuhuta pranato preta karyam.
Third line, yate jatayau divam.
Oh,
second line.
Okay. Okay, three pieces.
One other small correction. After dashamukaha, it is twadvadum. Not tadvadum. Okay.
Bhuya stanbin vinichvan ahrita dashamukaha twadvadum madvaden tvaktva yate jatayu divam atasuhurta pranato preta karyam grihnam tam kabandam jaganita shabarim prekshya pampa thatetvam संप्राप्तो वातसूनं बृहशमुदितामनाः पाहि वातालयेशा. And the last tune.
That's okay. That's okay. No problem. No worries. The second line, second line, Pratanov Pretakarim. I think both the times you said Pranato. You switched the tan.
Okay. Pratanov. Okay.
Pratanov Pretakarim. Okay. But very good. I think you did practice a lot because you did go pretty fast. So.
Okay. Thank you.
Very good. Okay. Sindhuji, you want to go ahead with 35 till I think 1 to 6, right? That's what we stopped at.
Om Sri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Nidas Sugriva Maitrim Tadanu Hanumada Dundubekaya Muchaihi Shitwanguštena Bhuyo Luluvida Yugapat Patrina Saptasalan Hatva Sugriva Ghado Dyadumadula Balam Palinam Vyajavritya Varshavela Maneshihi Virahardharalidastam Madangasramande Sugrivenanujokya Sabhayamabhiyada Vyuhidam Vahinim Tam Rikshanam Vichyaditshu Drudamadadaida Marganaya Vanamram Sandesham Janguliyam Pavanasudagare Pradisho Modashali Marge Mamarge Kabibhirabidada Totpriya Saprayasaihi Tadvarta Karnanodyad Tadvarta Karnanodyad Garudurujava Sambadi Vakya Protirnarnodihi Andar Nagari Janagajam Vichyadatwanguliyam Prakshudyodyanam Akshakshabana Janaranaha Sodabando Dashasyam Drishtva Plushtva Jalangam Chadidi Sahanuman Mauliratnam Dadaude Tvam Sugrivangadadi Prabalaga Bijamu Chakra Vikranta Bhumi Chakro Vikramya Pare Jaladi Nishijarendra Anuja Sriyamanaha Tatproktam Shatruvartam Rahasi Nishamayan Prarthana Parthyarosha Prastakneyastratejaha Trasadudadigirya Labdhavan Madhyamargam Kishaira Shandaropa Hridagiri Nigareihi Sedumadapyayado Yadunyamardhyadamshra Nakashigarishila Sala Shastrai Sosainehi Vyagurvan Sanujastvam Samarabhuvi Param Vikramam Shakrajetra Veganagastra Baddhaha Padagapadigarun Marudair Mojido Bhuho Saumitristwatra Shakti Prahridi Galada Survada Jani Dashaila Kranat Prananuvedo Vyagrunuda Kusradi Slaginam Mekhanadam Maya Chobeshu Vaibhishana Vajana Hridastambana Kumbhagarnam Sampraptam Kambidor Vidalamakila Jamu Bhakshinam Yakshinostvam.
Very good. We will stop here. Jayashree, sorry, I just realized I think you were a student last time, so I may have to give it to somebody. So Sri Lata Garu, can you be a student?
Yes, Rajesh Garu.
So Anandji and Sri Lata will be students, okay? Okay. Sorry
Rajesh, நம்ம யூசுவலா ரெண்டு பேர் படிப்போம் இந்த வேண்டாமா 34யும் நம்ம ரெண்டு பேர் chat
That's why I
பண்ணுவோம்.
gave two people 34 and 35 because we are doing 2 chapters. I just picked 2 people. That's right.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So we'll start with 7 of chapter 35. Grinhan Jambhari Sampreshitaratha Kavacho Ravanena Biyudhyan Brahmastrenasya Bhindan Galatatim Abhalam Agni Shuddham Pragrihnan Devashrihi Varojhibita Samaramritaihi Akshatai Riksha Sanghaihi Lanka Bhatracha Sakam Nijanagaramaghaha Sapriyah Pushpakeha. So Grihnan Jambhari Sampreshita Ratha kavachau, comma, Ravanenabhi yudhyan, comma, Brahmastrenasya bhindan galatatim. So that ma that is there, we'll first break it into im, galatatim, and then put a comma. And then next word becomes abhalam agni shuddham, or you can say that whole word together, abhalam agni shuddham together, or if you want to break it, abhalam agni shuddham pragrihnan.
So Rajesh, if it's together, how do we say it?
I think you still have to say, we are putting a comma after galatatim, so there's a comma after that anyways.
Okay.
And then abhalam agni shuddham, it will anyway come. It's very difficult to, like, the word a will anyway come, so it's okay. So abhalam
galatatim abalam nu sollappadadu. Galatatim abalam
illa because and the brahmastrenasya bhindan galatatim is killing Ravana with brahmastra. Then abhalam agni shuddham pragrihnan, Sita is getting purified with fire. So that's why we are breaking at that galatatim. Okay. Grinhan jambari sampreshita rata kavachau ravanena biyudhyan brahmastrenasya bhindan galatatim abhalam agni shuddham pragrihnan. Anand, you want to go first? Yeah, sorry.
Grinnan jambari sampreshita rata kavachau ravanena biyudhyan brahmastrenasya bindan galatatim abhalam agni shuddham pragrihnan. Grinnan jambari sampreshita rata kavachau ravanena biyudhyan brahmastrenasya bindan galatatim abhalam agni shuddham pragrihnan.
Grunnan jambari sampreshita rata kavachau ravanenabhiyudhyan brahmastrenasya bindan galatatim abhalam agni shuddham pragrihnan. Grunnan jambari sampreshita rata kavachau ravanenabhiyudhyan brahmastrenasya bindan galatatim abhalam agni shuddham pragrihnan.
Deva Shreni Baroj Jivita. It's a half j and then j, full j. Baroj Jivita Samara Mritaihi. So that r that is coming after Mritai, remove that r and first put a visarga, Mritaihi, and then a comma. And then the next word starts with a a. Akshatair riksha sanghaihi. So again put a visarga at the end of that line. So samara mritaihi, comma, akshatair riksha sanghaihi, visarga and a comma. Next line, there's a ir on top of that la that goes away. So it becomes Lanka Bartra cha sakam nija nagaramaghaha, comma. Then sapriyaha is there. So put a if, sapriya pushpakena. Devashrehi varojivita samaramritaihi akshatai rikshasangaihi lanka bhartra cha sakam nijanagaramaghaha sapriya pushpakena.
Devasreni varo jivita samaramritaihi akshate rikshasangaihi Langa Vartra cha sagam nijadagaramaga sapriya pushpakena. Devasreni varo jivita samaramritaihi akshate rikshasangaihi Langa Vartra cha sagam nijadagaramaga sapriya pushpakena.
Devashreni varo jivita samaramritaihi akshatairukshasangaihi lanka bhartra cha sakam nijanagaramaga sapriya pushpakena. Devashreni viro jivita samaramritaihi
Varojivit.
वरो जीवित समरमृतैः अक्षतैर्वृक्षसङ्गैः लङ्काभर्त्रा च साकं निजनगरमगाः सप्रियः पुष्पकेण
Answer 8. Preetho divyabhishekaiः ayutasamadhikan vatsaran paryaramsiः maitilyam papavacha शिव शिव किलतां गर्भिणीम् अभ्यहासीः शत्रुघ्नेनार्दयित्वा लवननिशिचरं प्रार्थय शूद्रभाषं तावत् वाल्मीकिगेः कृतवसतिरूपा सूतसीता सुतौ ते सुप्रीतो दिव्याभिषेकैः. So that ra that is there, we're going to put a visarga again. Divyabhishekaihi, comma. Next letter, next word starts with a Ayuta Samadhikan Vatsaran Parya Ramsihi. Again, put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma. Parya Ramsihi. Next line in Maitilyam. In top of the mai, if you have a ir, remove the top. So it becomes Maitilyam Papa Vacha, comma. Shiva Shiva Kilatam. Next word, Garbineem Abhyahasihi, if you want to break it, or you say the whole thing, Garbineem Abhyahasihi together. Okay. Preetho Divyabhishekaihi Ayuta Samadhikan Vatsaran Paryaramsihi Maitilyam Papavacha Shiva Shiva Kilatam Garbineem Abhyahasihi.
प्रीतो दिव्याभिषेकैः अयुतसमधिकान् वल्सरान् पर्यरंसीः मैथिल्यां पापवाचा शिव शिव किलतां गर्भिणीमभ्यहासीः प्रीतो दिव्याभिषेकैः अयुतसमधिकान् वल्सरान् पर्यरंसीः मैथिल्यां पापवाचा शिव शिव किलतां गर्भिणीमभ्यहासीः
प्रीतो दिव्याभिषेकैः अयुतसमधिकान् वत्सरान् पर्यरंसीः मैथिल्यां पापवाचा शिव शिव किलतां गर्भिणीमभ्यहासीः प्रीतो दिव्याभिषेकैः अयुतसमधिकान् वत्सरान् पर्यरंसीः मैथिल्यां पापवाचा शिव शिव किलतां गर्भिणीमभ्यहासीः
Shatrughne Nardayitva. It's one difficult to break that word, so say that whole thing together. Shatrughne Nardayitva Lavana Nishicharam, comma. Prardhayaha is there, so put a ish to join. Prardhayash Shudra Pasham, comma. Tavad Valmiki Gehe, comma. Krita Vasatir Upasuta, if you want to break it. So Krita Vasatir Upasuta, or you can say the whole word as Krita Vasati Rupasuta as one word. Sita Sutaute.
உபாசூத்த இதுல வந்து உபசூத்தன் போட்டிருக்கு ஒரு அங்க ஒரு
Yeah, just can you change it to Upasuta?
உபாசூத்த
Shatrughne Nardayitva Lavana Nishicharam Prardaya Shudrapasham Tavat Valmiki Gehe Kritavasati Rupasuta Sita Sutaute.
शत्रुघ्नेनार्दयित्वा लवणनिशिचरं प्रार्थय शूद्रपाशं तावद्वाल्मीकिगेहे कृतवसतिरुपासूतसीतासुतो ते शत्रुघ्नेनार्दयित्वा लवणनिशिचरं प्रार्थय शूद्रपाशं तावद्वाल्मीकिगेहे कृतवसतिरुपासूतसीतासुतो ते
शत्रुघ्नेनार्दयित्वा लवणनिशिचरं प्रार्थय शूद्रपाशं तावत् वाल्मीकिगेहे कृतवसतिरूपा सुत सीता सुतौ ते शत्रुघ्नेनार्दयित्वा लवणनिशिचरं प्रार्थय शूद्रपाशं तावत् वाल्मीकिगेहे कृतवसतिरूपा सुत सीता सुतौ ते।
Stanza 9. वाल्मीके त्वत्सुतोद्घापित मधुरकृते राज्ञया यज्ञवाटे सीतां त्वय्याप्तु कामे क्षितिमविशदसौ त्वं च कालार्तितो भूः हेतो सौमित्रिघाती स्वयमत सरयूमग्ननिःशेषभृत्यैः साकं नाकं प्रयातो निजपदमगमो देववैकुण्ठमाध्यम्. So here is where he performs Ashwamedha Yaga, and then the Lava and Kusha come, and Valmiki is composed Ramayana, and they come and sing it, and then Rama decides to take back Sita, but Sita then goes under the earth. Then Rama first says no to abandons Lakshmana because he has to. Then he goes with whoever wants to join him along with them. Sarayu Magna Nishche, they all enter into the river Sarayu. Nakam Prayato reach Vaikuntha Loka, and that's how like the whole Ramayana is coming to an end here. So Valmikes Twat Sutodghapita, that's one word because it's Suta Udghapita, so you can't break it. So Sutodghapita, one word. Madura Krite Ragnyaya, Kriter plus Agnyaya, or one word, Krite Ragnyaya, Yajnavate. So its whole line is continuous, no pause there, and comma at the end of that line, Yajnavate. Sitam Tvayaptu Kame, comma, Kshitim Avishadasau, if you want to break it. So, or Kshitim Avishadasau together, but a comma after that as well. So one comma after Tvayaptu Kame, then Kshitim Avishadasau, comma, Tvam cha Kalartito Bhuhu. Valmikes Tvatsutodghapita Madurakrite Rajnyaya Yajnavate Sitam Tvayyaptu Kame Kshitim Avishadasau Tvam cha Kalartito Bhuhu.
वाल्मीकिस्तत्सुतोद्गापितमधुरकृते राज्ञया यज्ञवाडे सीतां तय्युक्तु कामे क्षितिमविशदसौ त्वं च कालार्तितो भुः.
Tanaji, the second line, Sitam Tvayyaptu, it's a half year first and then a full ya. So Tvayyaptu, double Y types.
Tvayyaptu.
Yeah.
वाल्मीकिस्तत्सुतोद्गापितमधुरकृते राज्ञया यज्ञवाडे सीतां त्वय्याप्तु कामे क्षितिमविशदसौ त्वं च कालार्तितो भुः.
वाल्मीकिस्त्वत्स्तुतो गापित मधुरकृते राज्ञया यज्ञवाटे सीतां त्वय्याप्तु कामे क्षितिमविशदसौ त्वं च कालार्तितो भूः. वाल्मीकिस्त्वत्स्तुतो गापित मधुरकृते राज्ञया यज्ञवाटे सीतां त्वय्याप्तु कामे क्षितिमविशदसौ त्वं च कालार्तितो भूः.
Hetoho is there, so put a is. Hetos Saumitri Ghati, comma, Swayamata Sarayu Magna Nishesha Bhrityehi is there, so put a is and then put a plus. Bhrityais Sakam, and then after Sakam put a comma. Okay, so Bhrityais Sakam, comma, Nakam Prayato, comma, Nija Padamagamo Deva Vaikuntha Madhyam. Heto Saumitri Ghati स्वयमत सरयूमग्ननिःशेषभृत्यैः साकं नाकं प्रयातो निजपदमगमो देववैकुण्ठमाद्यम्
हेतो सौमित्रिघादी स्वयमदसरयूमग्ननिःशेषभृत्यः साकं नागं प्रयातो निजपदमगमो देववैकुण्ठमाद्यम् हेतो सौमित्रिघादी स्वयमदसरयूमग्ननिःशेषभृत्यः साकं नागं प्रयातो निजपदमगमो देववैकुण्ठमाद्यम्
हेतो सौमित्रगाती स्वयमतन सरयूमग्निनिःशेषभृत्यैः साकं नाकं प्रयातो निजपदमगमो देववैकुण्ठमाद्यम्
Shilata Garu, the third line, sorry. Heto Saumitri Ghati.
Okay. हेतो सौमित्रिगाती स्वयमत नसरयूमग्ननिःशेषभृत्यैः साकं नाकं प्रयातो निजपदमगमो देववैकुण्ठमाद्यम्
Last answer. Sohyam Martyavataraha Tava Khalu Niyatam Martya Shikshartamevam Vishleshartirniragastya Janamapi Bhaved Kamadharmati Saktya Nochet Swatmanubhutehe Kvanutava Manaso Vikriya Chakrapahe Sattvam Sattvaikamurte Pavanapurapate Vyadunu Vyadithapan. Soyam Martyavataraha. So if you have a is there, remove it, put a visarga and a comma. Martyavataraha, comma. Tava Khalu Niyatam Martya Shikshartam Evam. Shikshartam Evam, comma. Vishleshartir. Double ir coming there. Vishleshartir Niragas Tyajanam api bhavet, comma, kama dharmati saktya. Sohyam martyavataraha tava khalu niyatam martya shikshartamevam vishleshartirniragastya janamapi bhavet kama dharmati saktya.
सोऽयं मर्त्यावतारः तव खलु नियतं मर्त्यशिक्षार्थमेवं विश्लेषार्तिर्निरागस्त्यजनमपि भवेत् कामधर्मादिसक्त्या.
After that bhavet Anandji, there's a comma, second line, okay? After bhavet.
Oh, okay. सोऽयं मर्त्यावतारः तव खलु नियतं मर्त्यशिक्षार्थमेवं विश्लेषार्तिर्निरागस्त्यजनमपि भवेत् कामधर्मादिसक्त्या.
सोऽयं मर्त्यावतारः तव खलु नियतं मर्त्यशिक्षार्थमेवं विश्लेषार्तिर्निरागस्य जनमपि भवेत् कामधर्मातिसक्त्या. सोऽयं मर्त्यावतारः तव खलु नियतं मर्त्यशिक्षार्थमेवं विश्लेषार्तिर्निरागस्य जनमपि भवेत् कामधर्मातिसक्त्या.
No chet swatmanu bhutehe, comma there, kwanu tava manaso vikriya chakrapane, comma, satvam sattvaika murte, comma, pavanapurapate vyadunu vyadi tapan. No chet swatmanubhutehe kvanutava manaso vikriya chakrapane sattvam sattvaika-murte pavanapurapate vyadunu vyaditapan.
नो चेत् सात्मानुभूतेः कुनु तव मनसो विक्रिया चक्रपाणि सत्वं सत्वैकमूर्ते पवनपुरपते व्याधुनु व्याधितापान् नो चेत् स्वात्मानुभूतेः कुनु तव मनसो विक्रिया चक्रपाणि सत्वं सत्वैकमूर्ते पवनपुरपते व्याधुनु व्याधितापान्
नो चेत् स्वात्मानुभूतेः क्वनु तव मनसो विक्रया चक्रपाणे सत्वं सत्वैकमूर्ते पवनपुरपते व्याधुनु व्याधितापान्
Kirita Garu, the third line, Vikriya.
विक्रिया ओके ओके नो चेत् स्वात्मानुभूतेः क्वनु तव मनसो विक्रिया चक्रपाणे सत्वं सत्वैकमूर्ते पवनपुरपते व्याधुनु व्याधितापान् श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
So that completes 35. So we'll start with 36, which is the Parashuram Avataram. And I was going to say it with meaning, but I decided I'll send the meaning after the class so we can just focus on the chanting in the class. And so after 36, and then from 37, Krishna Avataram starts, right? Which is the next chapter. So 36 is kind of the same like 35. It's a little bit hard and it is the 4-liners, but I think you all did 34 and 35 really well. So 36 should relatively be easier compared to 34, 35. Okay, stanza 1. Atre putrataya pura tvamanusuyayam hi dattabhidho jata shishya nibandatandritamanaha swastascharan kantaya drushto bhaktatamena hehayamahi padena tasmai varan ashtaishwarya mukhan pradaya dhadita svenaiva chante vadham. So atrehe is there, so put the if there. Atre putrataya pura, comma, tvam anusuyayam, if you want to break it. Tvam anusuyayam or tvam anusuyayam as one word. So tvam anusuyayam hi datta bhido, comma. Then you have jataha, so put the ish there. Jatash shishya nibandha tandrita manaha, comma, swastash charan kantaya. If you have swastaha, then put the ish there, but most books have it as swastash. So swastash charan kantaya. Atre putrataya purha tvamanusuyayam hi datta bhidho jata shishya nibandhatandritamanaha swastascharan kantaya.
अत्रे पुत्रदया पुरा त्वमनसूयायां हि दत्ताभिदो जातशिष्य निबन्धतन्द्रितमनाः स्वस्तश्चरन् कान्तयाः.
So there's no kantayaha, just kantaya at the very second line.
Okay. Atre putradaya pura tvamanasuyayam hi dattabhido jadashishya nibandhatandritamanaha swastascharan kantaya.
अत्रे पुत्रतया पुरा त्वमनसूयायं हि दत्ताभिदो जातशिष्य निबन्धितन्द्रितमनाः स्वस्तश्चरन् कान्तया.
So you go to first line. Tvam anasuyayam. Anasuyayam.
Tvam anasuyayam. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Atre putrataya pura tvamanasuyayam.
No. Can you say that line? Tvam. Yeah, say that again.
Tvamanasuyayam.
Tvam. Anasuyayam. Anasuya
Okay,
is
Anasuya.
the wife of Atri. So
Yes,
Anasuyayam.
Okay, yes. अत्रे पुत्रतया पुरा त्वम् अनसूयायां हि दत्ताभिदो जातः शिष्यनिबन्धितन्द्रितमनाः स्वस्तश्चरन् कान्तया.
ராஜேஷ் ஒரே ஒரு சந்தேகம். அனசூயான்னு எண்ட்ல போட்டிருந்தது, பட் நீங்க அனுசூயான்னு சொன்னதுனால நான் அனுல போட்டேன்.
இல்ல Anasuyayam.
அனு இல்ல,
No, not Anu.
அனுசூயா இல்ல.
Not Anu. Yeah, I just must have said it wrong. Anasuyayam. Drishto. Sorry, go ahead.
Sorry, Rajesh. So there is 2 yas there, right?
Yeah, 2 yas there. Anasuya is the name.
Uh-huh.
Anasuyayam, double ya means her, like saying hers.
So
That's right, yeah.
Vamanusuyayam.
Yeah, Anasuyayam.
Okay, thank you.
Drishto bhaktatamena hehaya mahipalena, comma, tasmai varan. Put a in at the end of that line, the comma. Tasmai varan, comma. So next line, if you have Nashtaishwarya, if you have a na, remove that and put a a. Ashtaishwarya mukhan pradhaya, comma, dadita svenaiva chante badham. Drishto bhaktatamena hehaya mahipalena tasmai varan ashtaishwarya mukhan pradhaya dhadita svenaiva chante vadham.
Rajesh ji, is there a comma after tasmai varan?
Yeah, after tasmai varan, there's a comma at the end of that line. Then ashtaishwarya.
दृष्टो भक्ततमेन हेहयमहीपालेन तस्मै वरान्. There is a pause after pause or comma after palena.
Yeah, after palena, correct. Yes, yeah.
दृष्टो भक्ततमेन हेहयमहीपालेन तस्मै वरान् अष्टैश्वर्यमुखान् प्रदाय ददिदसेनैव चान्दे वधम्. दृष्टो भक्ततमेन हेहयमहीपालेन तस्मै वरान् अष्टैश्वर्यमुखान् प्रदाय ददिदसेनैव चान्दे वधम्.
दृष्टो भक्ततमेन हेहाय महीपालेन तस्मै वरान् अष्टैश्वर्यमुखान् प्रदाय ददितस्वेनैव चान्ते वदम्.
Sridhar Guru, I think you because you paused after Bhaktatamena, you kind of lost the tune a little bit. Okay. So don't pause after Bhaktatamena. Pause after Hehaya Mahipalena.
Okay, sure. दृष्ट्वो भक्ततमेन हेहाय महीपालेन तस्मै वरान् अष्टैश्वर्यमुखान् प्रदाय ददितस्वेनैव चान्ते वदम्.
That one word, Hehaya Mahipalena.
Hehaya, okay.
Hehaya.
Okay, Hehaya Mahipalena. Okay.
Hehaya is the name of the kingdom. So
sure.
Hehaya, okay. Answer 2. Satyam kartumatarjunasya chavarham tachatti matranatam brahmadveshi tadakilam nripakulam hantum cha bhumer bharam sanjato jamadagnito bhrigukule tvam renukayam hare ramo nama tadatmajeshwavarajah pitroradha samhadam. So Satyam Kartum Atharjuna. If you want to break it, it becomes Kartum Atharjunasya. But you can say the whole word Kartum Atharjunasya together. Cha Varam, comma, Tachakti. So first a small ich and then a cha. Tachakti Matranatam, comma, Brahma Dveshi Tadakilam Nripa Kulam, comma, Hantum cha Bhumer Bharam. Satyam Kartumatarjunasya Chavaram Tachakti Matranatam ब्रह्मद्वेषि तदा किलं नृपकुलं हन्तुं च भूमेर्भरम्
सत्यं कर्तुमदार्जुनस्य च वरं तच्छक्तिमात्रा नतं ब्रह्मद्वेषी तथा किलं नृपकुलं हन्तुं च भूमिर्भरम् सत्यं कर्तुमदार्जुनस्य च वरं तच्छक्तिमात्रा नतं ब्रह्मद्वेषी तथा किलं नृपकुलं हन्तुं च भूमिर्भरम्
सत्यं कर्तुमतार्जुनस्य च वरं तच्छक्तिमात्रा नतं ब्रह्माद्वेषि तदा किलं नृपकुलं हन्तुं च भूमेर्भरम्
Srilata Garu, second line, Brahma, not Brahma, there's no R, just Brahma Dveshi.
ब्रह्मद्वेषि सत्यं कर्तुमतार्जुनस्य च वरं तच्छक्तिमात्रा नतं ब्रह्मद्वेषी तदा किलं नृपकुलं हन्तुं च भूमेर्भरम्
Sanjato Jamadagnito Bhrigukule, Tvam Renukayam Hare, Ramo Nama Tadatma, so one word, Tadatma Jeshwa Varajaha, Pitroradhaha, you have to put a is there, Pitroradhas Sammadam. Sanjato Jamadagnito Bhrigukule, Tvam Renukayam Hare, Ramo Nama Tadatma Jeshwa Varajaha, Pitrorada Samhadam.
संजातो जमदग्नितो भृगकुले तं रेणुकायां हरे रामो नाम तदात्मजेशवरजः पित्रोरदा सम्मतं संजातो जमदग्नितो भृगकुले तं रेणुकायां हरे रामो नाम तदात्मजेशवरजः पित्रोरदा सम्मतम्
संजातो जमदग्नितो भृगुकुले त्वं रेणुकायां हरे रामो नाम तदात्मशेष्ववरजः पित्रोरदा सम्मदम् संजातो जमदग्नितो भृगुकुले त्वं रेणुकायां हरे रामो नाम तदात्मशेष्ववरजः पित्रोरदा सम्मदम्.
That last line, Srilata Garu, Tada Ramo Nama Tadatma Jeshwa Varajaha.
Okay.
What, I don't know what you said, but I heard something slightly different.
Tadatmasheshva.
Jeshwa. Yeah, not Jeshwa.
Yeah. Tadatmajeshva. Yeah. Thanks, Rajesh.
Stanza 3. Labdhamnaya Ganashchaturdashavaya Gandharvaraje Manake Asaktam Kilamataram Pratipituhu Krodha Kulasyaghya Tathagnati Gasodarai Samamimham Chitvata Shantat Pituhu Tesham Jivana Yogama Pitavaram Mata Chatedhadvaran. Labdham Naya Ganash. So you may have to say that together till there. It's Labda Amnaya Ganash. So it's multiple words there. So Labdam Naya Ganash Chaturdasha Vaya Gandharva Raje Manak. Put a ik there. K. Ik. Manak. Comma. Next line, the g, if you have, you remove that g and put a a. Asaktam. So asaktam kila mataram prati pituhu, comma, krodha kulasyagnyaya. Okay, so manak and then asaktam. Labdhamnaya ganashchaturdashavaya gandharvaraje manak Asaktam kilamataram pratipituhu krodha kulasyagnyaya.
लब्धाम्नाय गणश्चतुर्दशवया गन्धर्वराजे मनाग आसक्तां किल मातरं प्रतिपितुः क्रोधाकुलस्याज्ञया लब्धाम्नाय गणश्चतुर्दशवया गन्धर्वराजे मनाग आसक्तां किल मातरं प्रतिपितुः क्रोधाकुलस्याज्ञया
लब्धाम्नाय गणश्चतुर्शवया गन्धर्वराजे मनाक् हस्ताकां किल मातरं प्रतिपितुः क्रोधाकुलसाङ्ख्यया
Second line, Shilata Garu. Asaktam.
आसक्ताम् ओके लब्धाम्नया लब्धाम्नाय गणश्चतुर्शवाय गन्धर्वराजे मनाक् आसक्तां किल मातरं प्रतिपितुः क्रोधाकुलसाङ्ख्यया
So kulas yagnyaya. Last word.
कुलस् ओके
Okay. Krodha kulas yagnyaya.
Okay, the first line is labdvamnai or labdamna.
Labdhamnaya.
Labdva.
No. There's no verse sound there. Labdhamnaya.
Okay, labdva. There is no word there.
There's no word there. Labdhamnaya.
Labdhamnaya.
Yeah.
Labdhamnaya, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Tata gnathiga. If you're breaking it, you can break it with the g. Tata gnathiga sodaraihi. So put a is there. Sodarais samamimam, comma. Chitwata shantat pituhu. Put the visarga there at the end. Pituhu and the comma. Next line, if you have a is, remove that is out. Tesham Jivana Yogam Apita or Yogam Apita Varam, comma, Mata Cha Tedhadvaran together. Tatha Gnatiga Sodharai Samamiham Chitvata Shantat Pituhu Tesham Jivana Yogam Apita Varam Mata cha tedhadvaran.
तादाज्ञातिक सोदरे सममिमां चित्वा दशान्तात् पितुः तेषां जीवनयोगमापितवरं माता च तेधाद्वरान् तादाज्ञातिक सोदरे सममिमां चित्वा दशान्तात् पितुः तेषां जीवनयोगमापितवरं माता च तेधाद्वरान्
ताताज्ञातिगसोदरैः सममिमां चित्वा दशान्तात् पितुः शेषां जीवनयोगमापितवरं माता च तेधाद्वरान् ताताज्ञातिगसोदरैः सममिमां चित्वा दशान्तात् पितुः शेषां जीवनयोगमापितवरं माता च तेधाद्वरान्.
So last line, Shilata Garu.
Yeah.
Last line, first word. Tesham.
Okay.
Okay. And the last. Yeah.
Shesham or Tesham, Rajesh? Tesham. Okay.
Yeah, Tesham Jivana Yogamapitavaram Mata cha Tedhadvaran.
Tesham Jivana Yogamapitavaram Mata cha Tedhadvaran.
Not dwar. Tedhadvaran.
Oh, the elongation. Tedhadvaran.
No, you're saying dwar. You're saying dv. Dwar. But it's only the. Tedhadvaran.
Oh, Tedhadvaran.
Okay. Got it?
Thanks. Yeah.
Stanza 4. Pitra matrum hude stavahrita viyadhenor nijadashramat prastahyata bhrugor gira himagirau आराध्य गौरीपतिं लब्ध्वा तत्परशुं तदुक्तदनुजच्छेदी महास्त्रादिकं प्राप्तो मित्रमताकृतव्रणमुनिं प्राप्यागमस्वाश्रमम् पित्रा मातृमुदे कामा स्तवाहृत बियद्धेनोर Nijat Ashramat, if you want to break it, or Nijat Ashramat together. Nijat Ashramat, comma.
Can you say that one more time, Rajesh?
Yeah. Pitra Matru Mude, comma. Stavahrita Biyad Dhenor Nijat Ashramat, comma. Prastayata Bhrugorgira Himagirau. If you will probably have Himagiravaradhya. Himagiravaradhya is what you might probably have. So we're going to break it and say Himagirau. Himagirau, comma. Next line becomes Aradhya. So that ver that you have there, we're going to remove that ver and put Himagirau, comma, Aradhya Gauri Patim. Pitra Matrumudhe Stava Hritabiyadhenor Nijadashramate Prastayata Bhrigor Gira Himagirau Aradhya Gauri Patim.
Quick question, Rajesh, here. Himagira Ravaradhya. That's what it.
Yeah. Himagiravaradhya. You will have it, right? Himagiravaradhya. So we just, because we are taking a pause there, we're just breaking, we are making it into two proper words. Himagirau Aradhya.
Doesn't it become Avaradhya? Or
No. That ver is Himagirau plus Aradhya is Himagiravaradhya.
okay.
That's a Sandhi rule. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that ver gets removed, it becomes au plus a.
Okay, right, got it.
Pitra matra mude stava hridaviyadhe norni.
I think if you take a pause after matru mude.
Okay. Pitra matra mude stava hridaviyadhe nor nijadhasramad prastayada brigor gira himagiro aradhya gauri padim. Pitra matra mude stava hridaviyadhe norni vidhe.
Just 1 second, sorry, Anand. So stava hritaviyad. Okay. Stava hritaviyad dhenor. Dheno is, that's a cow. So viyad dheno. Kamadhenu. That's a day. So it's not viyad dhe no. So don't separate the no separately. Okay. So viyad dheno.
Okay. Pitra matra mude stava hridaviyadhenor nijadasramat prastayada brigor gira himagiro aradhya gauri padim.
Pitra matrumude stava hrutaviyadhenor nijadashramat prastayat brugor gira himagir viv aradhya gauri patim.
Himagirau. So that's
Himagirau
Aradhya.
Pitra matrumude stava hrutaviyadhenor nijadashramat prastayat brugor gira himagirau yora aradhya gauri patim.
I think that line you're still saying a ver or a wo somewhere in the second line. So
Himagirau
Brigor Himagirau.
Himagirau aradhya gauri patim.
Exactly, that's all.
Okay, good, got it.
Labdhva tat parashum, comma, tadukta danujach dhanujach chedi. Okay, dhanujach chedi mahastradikam. Mahastradikam, and put a plus, prapto, and then a comma. Okay, so tat parashum, comma, tadukta dhanujach chedi mahastradikam prapto, comma, mitram atakrita vrana. That's that. Atakrita vrana is the name of a person, so that's why it's a little bit complicated to say that word. So mitram atakrita vrana munim. Prapya gamaha is there, so put a is there. Prapya gamas swashramam. Okay, so I'll say that again. Labdva tatparasham, comma, tadukta dhanujat chedi mahastradikam prapto, comma, mitram atakrita brana munim, comma. I mean, you don't have to say a comma there, but you might probably end up pausing there anyways. Atakrita brana munim prapya gamas swashramam. Labdva.
Can we say mitram athakruta, or do we have to break it mitram athakruta?
Yeah, because akrita vrana. See, atha is then. Okay, so mitram is friend. I'll tell you the split. Mitram is friend. Atha means then. Akrita vrana is the name of a rishi. Akrita vrana, that's his name. Munim is a rishi, right? So it's saying then you met this, you made a friend, mitram, of a sage, akrita vrana, right? That's the meaning of that word. So that's why the akrita vrana, you cannot break it.
Okay.
So that's why mitram atakrita vrana, that's okay. That's okay. Ata akrita vrana, that you won't be able to separate every word like that, right? So that's why that akrita mitram atakrita vrana, you might want to say it together.
Okay.
Munim. Okay, that's a little bit complicated word, but that's how the word is. So labdhva tatparashum thadukta dhanujachedi mahastradikam prapto mitramatakrita vranamunim prapyagama swashramam.
Labdha tatparashum tadukta dhanujachedi mahastradikam prapto mitra madhakrita vranamunim prapyagama swashramam. Labdha tatparashum tadukta dhanujachedi mahastradikam prapto mitra madhakrita vranamunim prapyagama swashramam.
Labdva tatparusham tadukta dhanushchedi mahastradikam prapto mitram atakruta vranamunim prapyagama swashramam. Labdva tatparusham tadukta dhanushchedi mahastradikam.
Sorry. Tadukta dhanujach chedi.
Dhanujashti. Labdva tatparusham tadukta dhanushchedi.
No. Dhanu jach. Jach. Dhanujach.
Just okay. Labdva tatparusham tadukta dhanushchedi mahastradikam prapto mitram atakruta vranamunim prapyagama swashramam.
We do two more stanzas. Okay. Aketo pagato jhunaha suragavi samprapta sampadghanaihi tvatpetra paripujitah puragato dhurmantri vacha punaha gam kretum sachivam nyayungta kudiya tena pirundan muni pranakshepa sarosha go hatachamu chakrena vatso kritaha. Aketo bhagator junaha. So quite cannot break it. So Aketo Pagatorjunaha, comma, Suragavi Samprapta Sampat Ganaihi. So put a visarga there at the end and a comma. Next line is, you remove it. Tvat Pitra Paripujitaha. So you can put the if there to join. Paripujita Puragato Dur Mantri Vacha Punaha. Aketo Pagato Junaha Suragavi Samprapta Sampadghanehi Tvatpitra Paripujita Puragato Durmantri Vacha Punaha.
Agedopagatorjunah Suragavi Samprapta Sampadganehi Tatpitra Paripujitah Puragado Durmantri Vacha Punaha.
Anandji, there we can all just stop at that Paripujitaha if you want to have a break in that line.
Okay.
We can put a comma there instead of joining. So I don't know what you all find easier, because if you're saying Paripujitaha, then we have to stop there. We can't continue with the next word. If you're saying it together, then we have to put a if. Okay, so we can all just maybe put a comma after Paripujitaha. That way in every line we have one comma in the middle. Okay, so just Tvatpitra Paripujitaha, you can put a comma. Puragato Durmantri Vacha Punaha. So you can take a break at Paripujitaha.
Agedopagatorjunah Suragavi Samprapta Sampadganehi Tatpitra Paripujitah Puragato Durmantri Vacha Punaha.
Aketo Pagatorjunah Suragavi Samprapta Sampadganaihi Tatpraptita Tvatpitrata Paripujitaha Puragato Durmitri Vacha Punaha.
Sorry, let me correct again. That second line, right?
First
word, Tvatpitra.
Tvatpitra, okay.
Okay, and then Puragato, after that, Dur Mantri. Dur is bad, Mantri is minister. So Dur Mantri.
Vacha Punaha.
Yeah. Okay.
Aketo Pagatorjunah Suragavi Samprapta Sampadganaihi Tvatpitra Paripujitaha Puragato Durmantri Vacha Punaha.
Gam Kretum Sachivam Nyayungtha, comma, Kudiya Tenapi Rundan Muni, short ni, Muni, and then put a plus. And then the whole next line is together, okay? Prana Kshepa Sarosha Go Hata Chamu Chakrena Vatso Kritaha. So just one comma after Nyayungta, and the rest of the line is together. Gam Kretum Sachivam Nyayungta Kudiya Tena Pirundan Mune Pranakshepa Sarosha Go Hata Chamu Chakrena Vatso Kritaha.
Gam Kredum Sajivam Nyayukta Kudiya Tena Birundan Muni Pranakshepa Sarosha Gohata Chamu Chakrena Valso Hridaha. Gam Kredum Sajivam Nyayukta Kudiya Tena Birundan Muni Pranakshepa Sarosha Gohata Chamu Chakrena Valso Hridaha.
Gam Kretum Sachivam Nyayukta Kudiya Tena Pirundun Muni Pranakshepa Sarosha Gohata Chamu Chakrena Vatso Hrutaha. Gam Kretum Sachivam Nyayukta Kudiya Tena Pirundun Muni Pranakshepa Sarosha Gohata Chamu Chakrena Vatso Hrutaha.
Stanza 6. शुक्रोज्जीविततातवाक्यचलितक्रोधोत सख्या समं बिभ्रद्ध्यातमहोदरोपनिहितं चापं कुठारं शरान् आरूढः सहवाह्ययन्त्रुकरथं माहिष्मतीमाविशन् वाग्भिर्वत्समदाशु शिक्षितिपतौ सम्प्रास्तुता संघरम्. Shukrojeevita, one word. Shukra ujjeevita. Those are the two words. Say it together. Shukrojeevita tata vakya chalita krodota sakya samam. So continuous and then samam after samam, comma. Bibrad dhyata mahodaropa nihitam. So it's difficult to split that word. So mahodaropa nihitam and then comma. Chapam kutharam sharan. Shukrojivita tata vakya chalita krodhota sakya samam bhibradhyata mahodaropa nihitam chapam kutharam sharan.
शुक्रोजीविततातवाक्यचलितक्रोधोदसख्या समं बिभ्रद्यातमहोदरोपनिहितं चापं कुठारं शरान्. शक्रोजीविततातवाक्यचलितक्रोधोदसख्या समं बिभ्रद्यातमहोदरोपनिहितं चापं कुठारं शरान्.
Anandji, the first line is Shukroj, not Shakroj.
Oh, sorry.
Shukro, okay. Yeah.
शुक्रोजीविततातवाक्यचलितक्रोधोत सख्या समं बिभ्रद्ध्यातमहोदरपनिहितं चापं कुटारं शरान्.
Second line, the Bibradhyata Mahodaropa Nihitam.
Mahodaropa, okay. शुक्रोजीविततातवाक्यचलितक्रोधोत सख्या समं बिभ्राध्यात महोदरपनिहितं चापं कुठारं शरान्.
Mahodaropa, again that word.
Mahodaropa, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Next, Arudaha is there, so put the is. Arudas Saha Vahya. So Saha Vaha, sorry, Arudas Saha Vaha Yantruka. That is one word. Yantruka Ratham. If you want to break it, Saha Vaha Yantruka Ratham, and then comma. Mahishmatim Avishan. If you want to break it, or if you want to say it together, Mahishmati Mavishan. You can say it, okay? So Mahishmatim Avishan, comma. Vagbhir Vatsam Adhashushi, to break it. Or Vagbhir Vatsa Madashushi, if you're saying it together. So Vagbhir Vatsa Madashushi Kshitipatau, comma. Samprastutaha is there, so put the is. Samprastutas sangaram. Arudhas sahavaha yantrukaratham mahishmati mavishanhe vagbhir vatsamadashu shikshiti patau samprastuta sangaram.
Arudhas sahavaha yantrukaratham mahishmati mavishanne Vagbhirvalsamadasu shishidhipato samprastudas sankaram. Arudas sahavaha yandrugaratham mahishmati mavishan. Vagbhirvalsamadasu shishidhipato samprastudas sankaram.
Arudas sahavaha yantrukkaratham mahishmati mavishan. Vagbhirvatsamadashu shitipatau samprastuta sangaram. Arudas sahavaha yantrukaratham माहिष्मतीमाविशन् वाग्भिर्वत्समदाशु क्षितिपतौ सम्प्रास्तुता सङ्गरम्.
I think we can put in one more and then we'll stop today. Putranhamayutena saptadashabhischakshauhinibhirmahasenanibhiranekamitranivahaih vyajrumbitayodanah sadyastvakkuthara banavidalan nishesha sainyutkaro bhiti pradrudanashtashistatanayah twamapadadhehayah. So putranam ayutena, if you want to break it, and then a comma. Putranam ayutena, comma. Sapta dashabish. If you have dashabihi, then put a ish there to join it. So sapta dashabish chakshau hinibhir maha, and then put a plus. Senani bhiraneka. Senani bhiraneka mitra nivahaihi. So put a visarga at the end of nivahai and then a comma. On top of that bya, if you have a ir, remove that off. So nivahaihi, comma, vyajrumbita yodhanaha. Vyajrumbita yodhanaha. Putranhamayutena sapta dashabhischakshau hinibhirmahasenani bhiraneka nivahaihi vyajrumbita yodhanaha.
Putranhamayutena saptadashabhischakshauhinibhirmaha senanibhiranekamitranivahaih vyajrumbita yodhanaha.
That second line, Anand, vyajrumbita, jr.
Yeah, sorry. Vyajrumbita. Putranhamayutena saptadashabhischakshauhinibhirmaha senanibhiranekamitranivahaih vyajrumbita yodhanaha.
पुत्राणामयुतेन सप्तदशभिश्चाक्षौहिणीभिर्महा सेनानीभिरेनेक मित्रनिवहैः व्याजृम्भिता योधनः. पुत्राणामयुतेन सप्तदशभिश्चाक्षिहौ. Can you say that word?
Yeah.
Chakshauhinibhirmaha senanibhirneka.
Sorry, senani, stretch the knee.
Yeah, senanibhirneka mitranivahaihi vyajrumbita yodhanaha.
Yeah, I'll just say that two lines just one more time, okay?
Okay, sure.
Putranhamayutena sapta dashabhischakshau hinibhirmaha senanibhiraneka mitranivahaihi vyajrumbita yodhanaha. Sadyas tvakka kuthara bana vidalan nishesha sainyotkaro, comma. So that entire line is continuous. Sainyotkaro bhiti pradruta nashta shishta tanayaha. So that is that is there, remove it and put a visarga and a comma. Tanayaha. Twam apadad, if you want to break it, or twamapadad. So twam apadad dhehayaha. Sadyastvakka kutara bana vidalan nishesha sainyotkaro bhiti pradruta nashta shishtatanayaha twamapadad dhehayaha.
Rajesh ji, when we put the vidalan, the the next word becomes two na or one na?
One nishesha.
Okay.
सद्यस्वत्त कुठार बाण वितलन निशेष सैन्योत्करो वीधि प्रद्रुत नष्ट शिष्टतनयः त्वामापतत्हेहयः सद्यस्वत्त कुठार बाण वितलन निशेष सैन्योत्करो वीधि प्रद्रुत नष्ट शिष्टतनयः त्वामापतत्हेहयः
सद्यस्तत्त्वकुटार बाणविदलन् निःशेष सैन्योत्करो भीतिप्रदुत नष्टशिष्टतनयः त्वत्माता ते त्वामापतदेहयः सद्यस्त्वत्कुटार बाणविदलन्
सद्यस्त्वत्क
सद्यस्त्वत्खट्ट. Okay.
There's a double k there, right? One is a twatka and then kutara.
Okay. Sadyastvakutara.
Sadyastvatka.
Sadyastvakhatta. Okay.
No, do you see two k, two times k is repeating, right?
Yeah.
So the first time k is sadyastvatka is one.
Okay, sadyastvakhatta. Okay. I'll practice that. I don't know why I'm not getting that. Can you repeat that one sentence?
Yeah. Sadyastvaka kutara bana vidalan nishesha sainyotkaro.
Sadyastvat kutara bana vidalan nishesha sainyotkaro भीति प्रदुत नष्ट शिष्ट तनयः त्वत्मात देहाय त्वाम. Okay, त्वाम पत देहायः.
त्वाम आपद देहायः.
Okay. I'll practice that line, Rajesh.
Yeah, just say one time. That's okay. Just go ahead.
Sadyasvat kuta arabhana vadalan nishesha sainotkaro भीति प्रदुत नष्ट शिष्ट तनयः त्वमाता देहायः.
I think you're missing the same mistakes you're making, right? The first line is sadyastvatka.
Sadyastvatkutara.
No, say k. You're saying not saying the letter k at the end. Tvatka.
Sadyastvat.
Tvatka.
Tvatka. Oh, why I'm not saying ka? Okay, sadyastvatka kutara bhana.
Correct. Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, you're not saying the k there.
Yes, the ka I am not saying. Okay, sadyastvatka kutara bhana.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right, we'll stop the class.
Sorry, Rajesh.
No worries. No problem at all. You're learning, so no sorry at all.
Thank you so much.
Brahmane namaha. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam kaladeshavadibhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtahatre punarurupurushadhatmakam brahmatattvam tattavat bhadi sakshad gurupavanapure hanta bhagyam jananam kahena vacha manasendriyerva बुद्ध्यात्मना भा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.